Hindi pala nag-play yung video. So, ayun, ulit. Lalabas tayo today. Ayan. Medyo may sun. Gusto ko yung ganitong weather. Malamig siya pero may araw. So, kaya pa. Tolerable yung lamig. Unlike pag literal na winter. Let's get it down. So, yeah, there it is. Yung mga yari nagfa-freeze. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Pupunta ako ng Thames and Balkan Barn. Barn? I think it's barn. Whatever. So, yeah. Maganda maglakad pag ganitong weather kasi kahit papano tolerable Philippine. Hala, may nakaiwan na shoes doon. Look at that. Ginawa mo, kuya. Malayo mo sapatos po dyan. So, ibig sabihin nung nagyelo yung panahon, nag-freeze yung shoes doon. Oh my God. That's so lame. Hindi ako tatawid kasi dadaan ako ng highway. Not highway, main road. Dito ako sa kabila. There. Let me show you my outfit today. Charing.